Hi, Larry Gaines, Paracycle Trading. Well, another pretty wild, crazy day. So if you look here at the Nasdaq Futures, we had this huge sell-off, and had this opening break below that 382. You can see that the S&P Futures had this opening break, came back down and retraced back to this prior low back here on November 23rd. But then in the afternoon, things, a couple different stories came out, just exploded the market back up. We had a close back above, the closing price of yesterday on the 5th. Okay, so explosive move up, and this again is on the futures. So the markets, equity markets were closed yesterday. But the point being is that in this kind of market environment, you need to be kind of proactive on your trades and have a trading plan as to what you're going to do. So we came in the day, on the 4th, we had a pretty good sell-off, and into that sell-off, we started seeing the market starting to crumble, signs of that based on the technicals. So we had a few short trade setups. But the plan was if it hit our profit targets, we were going to take profit on those because of the volatility. So let's take a look at a couple of those. So first off, the trade, we had this trade set up on Tuesday the 4th. We had a reversal here. You can see our momentum indicators kicked in, this yellow and the red indicator. So we had momentum starting to shift down. We'd come into this downward sloping channel and then fell back down and reverse lower. So we had that, and then also we had you can look at the 1 hours and you can see this in more detail here. We had this volatility squeeze starting to trigger to the downside, so it gave us a good trade setup here, on the 4th coming in. So we had a nice short trade setup, but then it hit our profit target going into the afternoon. So we did have a profit target here, and then we also had additional profit target once it broke through today, once the market opened up. So this one was a great down to, again, a profit zone of 165. So we took a profits there, and then had another opportunity for profits here. So that one worked out real well, and I'll show you the trade setup that we had on that. So we had a D's 14 series, 167.5, 165, set that up at 60 cents at risk on the debit spread, and it went closed out some at 136. And you can see where it went out here today. It's up 25, but this was, a really nice profit of, about $76 per spread, which would be, it's 126% return. Then the other trade setup was on Facebook. So on Facebook, similar to RTM, we had this retracement failure where Facebook came up back into the moving average, back into a downward sloping channel. This is a retracement Fibonacci symmetry right here. And so it failed there on the 4th. So when it was breaking back down here, on the 4th, we did a couple different put spread setups, and then the target was, to this price point right in here today, coming in here at that 618 retracement. So right on the open today, it gave us a great opportunity to get out and had a quick profit take, and you can see what happened. So you can't, you have to be pretty proactive. When it hits your targets, you want to take those profits. So, going forward, just wanted to also point out, we've got a breakout trading service. So this is kind of the trade summary of these alerts that we've sent out since starting this service in May. This goes from May the 2nd through, today, and we've had a total of 45 closed out trades that have been text out alerts. And out of those 45, we've had so far 36, winning trades. So pretty good winning percentage. That's 80% winning percentage, and these are on those type of breakout and reversal trade setups. So wanted to share that with you, and good luck trading. And we'll be doing a free and live webinar this Saturday the 8th. If you'd like to join us, please do. You can see the webinar registration. Let me show you where we have that on our website. So you can just go to our website, paracycletrading.com, and just look for this link up here, upcoming live webinars. Click on that, and it'll show you whatever we have going on, either a live course or a live webinar. So you can see this one is going to be on butterflies, condors, and strangles, and this will be this Saturday, December 8th. So if you'd like to join us, just go to that link, put your name and address, email, and hope to see you Saturday.